Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today it's Sunday. We're going to do our Sunday brunch like we do. We're going to do bacon, sausage, and pancakes to make some pancake pigs in a blanket. Just got my griddle started, and that's the best time to put your bacon on and your sausage. So we're going to get that on and hey, get this cook going. I like to get my bacon on as soon as I turn my griddle on. I'm going to get this laid out. Okay, we've got our bacon all laid out. Now we're going to start getting our sausages on there. Just going to lay these over here. Get them all to fit, just like that. And after about 4 to 5 minutes, we're gonna take, I like using my spatula. I can get 5 of them and we'll just flip them over. Just like that. These spatulas make it super simple to turn the bacon. And give it a few more minutes and we'll pull them off. And once I get this straightened out, I'll roll my sausage around to make sure these get brown on all sides. And there we go. These here are ready. I'll just pull them off and put them on my paper plate on some towel to take off some excess grease. Look at that. Gotta love bacon on the Blackstone. Okay, I'll get these straightened out. We'll get the rest of these cooked up, pulled off, and continue on. Now when it comes to the sausages, I like to give them a couple extra minutes to make sure they're cooked through and through. And then we will pull these off as well. Slide it under, load it up. And of course one has to run away. Got it. Okay, we've got our bacon and our sausage all done. Now we're gonna mix up our pancake. Just gonna add a 1.5 cups of water, just like that. And we're gonna squirt a little bit of syrup in there. It's about a tablespoon. That all mixed up. Okay, now we're going to let this sit for a couple of minutes and we'll get them on the griddle. Okay, let's get our pancakes on here. We're going to do that one. And we're going to put 3 sausage in there. Just like that. And of course I didn't hit play when I record when I flipped them, but this one here's got the sausage in it. Okay. You can see them right there. Alright, I'm going to put a couple in this last one here. Like that. Got this nice little cooling rack over here for my pancakes. And we'll get this last one in a minute. That'll be done in a minute. All right, so here we go. Here's our pancakes. These two have the pigs in a blanket, pigs in a pancake. Got our bacon and sausage going. So what we're gonna do is take the pancake with the sausage in it. I'm gonna lay it down. We're gonna add some bacon. Put some bacon on there. Just like that. Put a little bit more. Okay, then we're going to put a regular pancake on top, just like that. Wipe my hands off. Okay, we're going to get some syrup down on this. Okay, now we're going to take a bite. Okay, let's see if I can get, where's my sausage? Right there. Let's see if I can get a bite with the sausage. Okay, put that back on there. Pancake, pigs in a blanket. Oh man, that's so good. Pancakes by themselves on a Blackstone is awesome. Especially if you're frying them in some bacon grease. Oh my God. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe somewhere in here. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video.